What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. Also check the links in the description section of this video for some free resources. I got another resource for y'all right here, the book of the day, Managing People, Land Your Staff to Peak Performance by Bob Adams. Check this book out if you're interested in, just learning about management. And if you're an entrepreneur, it definitely will be helping you out. So we are back with the most voted cryptocurrency in the space. We know a few things going on right now. We know we're voted up. We know that vechain is on a race to all-time highs. We know that vechain is about to drop in 3 weeks. And we know that projects are going to be beating our door down to be listed on vechain. So now let's cover what's happening right now. Then we're going to take a look at the price and, see, do we think vechain is bullish still, or do we think that has calmed down some? So make sure you follow them if you haven't. Make sure you join the Telegram if you haven't. Come check out my channel, see all the different things that I'm retweeting about vechain, so that way you can be more informed. So shout out to votedinu.eth saying wow, at Walmart, what a voted deal. So showing that got the vechain website up there on top of one of these tablets. Shout out to Coin Mummy saying vochain MVP 2 Doge, the OG of meme coins. What can you say about Doge? None of us would be here had they not scratched their way to the top. Doge Army has the strongest diamond hands out there, but sometimes you might still want to swing trade in DeFi. How about at a limit? So interesting here to see, we got more and more people talking about vechain. Coin Mummy is a page, let's see, with, okay, this is just a community supporter here, but it's good to see, people are engaged in conversation, and it's also good to see that, Vatoshi sees, the little guys as well and shows them love too. It's really all about community. Shout out to Valerie, said there's absolutely no doubt that Volt is the next shib. I don't have a doubt in my mind, y'all. I hope y'all are on board. I hope, you get a chance to, do what you want to do in crypto. This is a project to do it with. Now, this is not financial advice, so I can't tell you that. I got to add that disclaimer. But, hopefully you've been connecting the dots along the way. So, as you know, vechain is going to be released within the next 3 weeks. What if I told you vechain goes live tomorrow? Sheesh. Vatoshi said within 3 weeks. He could have, oh man, he could have gave us a, the oopty-wop where, we're expecting, 3 weeks out, and it's really right around the corner, y'all. We might have a 48 to 72 hour, countdown. He said 3 weeks, but could it be 3 days? Sheesh. We got to spread the awareness, spread the word. Volta Dragon said last time Elon Musk used the lightning bolt emoji was before 2+ years in 2022. Then he repeats it now at this vital stage of Volt. Connect the dots. Also, power to the people. The people's crypto. Connect the dots. Lightning bolts. Now, of course, it could possibly have a direct correlation. Then again, it may not. But, it's just very bullish in awe for the Volt army. So Elon making direct contact with Volt community. Dogecoin season looming upon us. Y'all don't want to miss this, y'all. So here's another message. There's voltage in the air when there's 150 plus people voting in the voice chat on a Sunday afternoon. Absolutely bullish. Meaning that people are, tuned in. They want to find out what's going on. I got a lot of people been reaching out to me, telling me, they still want to buy vechain. I got a couple people saying they want to drop, some decent amount in vechain. I think one person just said they want to put about 10K in there, asking me how can they buy it. So we still have a lot of people that are going to join the Volt army, and even more people that will FOMO as the candlesticks move even higher. So shout out to Gangbangers at episode 5 of the vechain Sunday service, entertainment and knowledge all in one place. Salute to everybody that's voting it up. But now let's get to what I really want to share with y'all. So right now, looking at vechain, we're at that 5 zeros, 1268 level, down 2% for the day. In the last 24 hours, y'all, our volume is 582,000 y'all. Vochain is absolutely heating up. So now let's take a look from a technical standpoint, taking a look at the chart. We are on that 1 hour level, taking some trend lines. We're gonna map or just chart, you know, a basic. This is what we would call a symmetrical triangle right here. This pattern. This pattern tells us that it's a bullish pattern. So this means that the pattern is likely to break out. Once it does, it has a period of consolidation, and then it eventually breaks out to the upside. So we will measure from here to the top of it to try to determine where that breakout is likely to take us to. So remember, this is a rough estimate. This is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. But here we go. We will be that would take us right around to that mid 15 level, right around before that 16 level, which could even pump even further once people see the price moving. So I'm giving y'all a heads up right now, you know, how it's looking. We are still trading well above our 200 moving day average. This is a key level in the markets where investors, you know, consider the price extremely bullish. You know, people use this line as a support, and if it's trading above it, we know that it likely wants to continue to keep going up. Also, we are above our VWAP line as well. Matter of fact, let's pull that up so we can see that. The VWAP tells us we're in an uptrend, but we can eyeball this and already tell that we are in an uptrend. So you see we're sitting right above that VWAP line. We should be seeing a breakout sometime very, very soon. So don't say I didn't tell you. If we zoom out on the further levels, take a look at the 4 hour. We can see that our main traffic, if we look left in the chart from this area, it would take us right around the support levels here. So definitely possible, you know, make those decisions, do what you got to do now, so that way you don't miss the, you know, the rocket. Also looking at the RSI levels only at around a 50 right now. Look at where we are. Look at how high the RSI has been before. It already went up to like a 97, 98. We're at a 50 right now. We know 70 above is considered overbought. 35 and below is considered oversold. So right now it's like right in that middle level, telling us we still have a lot of gas or steam that can push us up even further. So that's what I'm expecting to see with this next movement that we got with this price prediction that I'm seeing in the mid 15s to 1600 level in the next maybe 24 to 48 hours. So keep that in mind as well. You know, this is a very exciting time. You know, shout out to everybody that, you know, stayed down for the come up and, you know, didn't get shaken out. I know it can be hard sometimes when you don't see things moving as fast as you want, but this is what you have to know. This time period always comes around. But that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.